Would you rather live in a city with high-speed internet or live in a remote village with limited tech? Only communicate via social media or only communicate face-to-face? Work in a high-tech urban office or work outdoors in natural settings? Eat food prepared with modern gadgets or cook food over an open fire? Only watch documentaries about nature or only read books about wildlife? Live in a fully automated smart home or live in an off-grid home with renewable energy? Have a robot vacuum clean your home or clean your home manually with traditional tools? Play music through streaming services only or collect and play vinyl records?